So, good morning. My name is Dr. Suvarna Lapalikar from Commerce Department. Today, my topic is amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction. So, first we must understand why amalgamation, absorption, and reconstruction. So, these are the basic reasons: avoiding the cutthroat competition, economics of large-scale production, increasing efficiency, expansion and diversification, achieve financial ability and reduce the taxes. First, we understand amalgamation. Amalgamation means combination of two companies, two or more companies into a new company. We can take one example here. A Limited and B Limited. Both the companies are going to liquidate and form a new company, AB Limited. In this case, A Limited and B Limited, those are vendor company. The another name of liquidating companies are vendor company, transferor company, and AB Limited will be transferee company or purchasing company. It is considered that A and B Limited sell all the assets and liabilities to AB Limited and form a new company, that is AB Limited. Example of amalgamation is the merger of Maruti Motors in India. This is the current example. Suzuki in Japan forming a Maruti Suzuki Limited. This process involves two companies combining their assets, liabilities and operation to create a new entity. Next term is absorption. Absorption means when one company takes over the another company is called absorption. Absorption is the process which the one dominant company takes control over the weaker company. For example, A Limited and B Limited. Here A Limited is going to liquidate. A Limited is small company and B Limited is big company, stronger company, and B Limited absorb A Limited. So the existence of B Limited will remain same and A Limited will go to liquidate. Slight difference between amalgamation and absorption. Here A and B, both the companies are merging and form a new company. A and B, both the companies are vendor company, transferor company, and here only A Limited is transferor company, B Limited will be the transferee company or purchasing company. Third term is external reconstruction. External reconstruction means reorganizing the companies. That means company changed the name but with same shareholders. Here in external reconstruction, existing company ABC Limited, existing company is wound up by selling its business to newly formed company which is generally similar name or owned by the same shareholders. Current example of external reconstruction, we can take UTI Bank has become Axis Bank. Original name, the bank which later become Axis Bank was originally named UTI Bank, and the reason the bank felt the UTI brand name was causing confusion as other unrelated entities were also using it. So these are the three terms, and reconstruction can be classified into two: external and internal. External reconstruction means change the name with same shareholder, and internal reconstruction means reorganizing the structure of the company. To resolve the problem of overcapitalization, huge accumulated losses, overvaluation of assets, when the capital structure of company is complex, so company is need to reconstruct. So this is the process of internal reconstruction. In internal reconstruction, company will not change the name but will reorganize the structure. Reorganize the structure. So these are the terms: amalgamation, absorption, and reconstruction. Both, all three activities will be covered under the accounting standard 14. Thank you.